Learning to code can be exciting and intimidating. Between endless tutorials, languages, and frameworks, it's hard to know where to start. But here's the secret. The tools you use make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top programming tools every beginner should know, the ones that help you write, test, and share code like a pro. Let's get started. First up, the heart of your programming setup, the code editor. Our top pick is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. It's free, lightweight, and supports virtually every language out there. With built-in Git integration, extensions for everything from Python to AI-assisted coding, and a slick UI, it's the go-to editor for beginners and pros alike. Next, you need to save and share your code safely. That's where Git and GitHub come in. Git is a version control system that tracks your changes, while GitHub lets you store your projects in the cloud and collaborate with others. Even if you're just starting out, learning to use Git early will set you apart. Third on our list, the command line. It may look intimidating, but learning basic terminal commands gives you superpowers. You can navigate projects, run scripts, install packages, and control your environment, all faster than clicking around in menus. Number 5, package managers. These tools help you install and manage the libraries your code depends on. For example, Python developers use pip, JavaScript devs use npm or yarn, and C++ devs might use vcpkg. They save you from the chaos of manual setup, a must-know skill for every coder. At number 4, it's not a coding tool. It's a learning tool, Stack Overflow. Every programmer uses it. It's a Q&A site filled with solutions, code snippets, and advice from millions of developers. Just remember, don't copy blindly. Understand the code and make it your own. Coming in at number 3, Replit. It's an online coding environment where you can write, run, and share code, all from your browser. Perfect for beginners who don't want to install anything yet. You can experiment with languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++, and even build small web apps collaboratively. In second place, AI coding assistants like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and Replit Ghostwriter. These tools can generate code, explain errors, and even help you learn faster by giving real examples. They're not a replacement for learning, but they make learning smarter. And finally, number 1, debugging and testing tools. Every programmer makes mistakes. Great ones debug fast. Tools like VS Code's built-in debugger, Chrome DevTools, and PyTest help you find and fix errors before they cause chaos. Learning to debug early will make you a better, more confident coder. So let's recap VS Code, Git, and GitHub. The command line package managers, Stack Overflow. Replit AI coding assistants, debugging tools. Master these, and you'll have the foundation to learn any language or framework. Coding isn't just about writing syntax. It's about learning how to solve problems. And with the right tools, you'll get there faster. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more programming and tech videos every weekday.